Cellares says that the company manufactures cancer drugs faster, cheaper, and safer than its competitors, and it just announced a $257 million Series D funding round led by NYSE-listed BlackRock. Joining me now with more is Fabian Gerlinghaus. He's a co-founder and CEO of Cellares. Fabian, great to have you on the show this morning. Congratulations on this funding round. How is your company going to deploy this capital?
Well, Kristen, thank you so much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. So as you just mentioned, we're very proud and very grateful to our investors, announcing today that we've raised a $257 million Series D led by BlackRock and Eclipse to industrialize global cell manufacturing with breakthrough automation. And I want to call out new investors in this round include T. Rowe Price, Bailey Gifford, Stan Druckenmiller's family office, Duquesne, Intuitive Ventures, EDVI, and Gates Frontier. And then we've got strong support from our insiders with DC Global Ventures, DFJ Growth, Willett Advisors, all back in the company. So to your question, this funding enables the global commercial launch and unconstrained supply of cell therapies, expanding access to life-saving cell therapies for cancer and autoimmune disease indications to hundreds of thousands of patients annually.
How does this change the game, Fabian?
Well, very, very good questions. Look, cell therapies have proven their ability to cure cancer where chemotherapies have failed, and they also deliver transformative therapeutic effects in autoimmune diseases. Our partners, Bristol Myers Squibb, Cabaletta, they've got phenomenal science. The science works. The barrier now to curing more patients is no longer scientific. It is industrial. Only about 2 out of 20 patients receive treatment today because the industry is supply constrained due to manual, artisanal manufacturing methods where every cell therapy is made to order for each patient individually by hand. Imagine that. That is not scalable, it's expensive. So Cellares is removing the cell therapy manufacturing bottleneck and delivering breakthrough automation for manufacturing and quality control through our automated platforms. And we're now deploying these automated solutions across IDMO smart factories that we're building here domestically in the United States, bringing biopharmaceutical manufacturing back to the US, but also helping our partners expand globally to Europe, to Japan. So right now we're building 5 facilities in parallel in the world to ultimately provide unconstrained supply to these life-saving and life-changing treatments for patients. And in the process, we're not just delivering a big boon for patients, but also dramatically unlocking billions of dollars in revenue for pharma companies, lowering their manufacturing costs to the lowest cost of manufacturing in the industry, and the highest inspect rate, the highest reliability. And short term, I think that will make cell therapy manufacturing sustainable as a business for our industry, for pharma companies and biotechs. Long term, it's going to lead to lower drug prices for payers. And yeah, that's how it changes the game. Mm-hmm.
Now I see a core part of your technology is the cell shuttle system. How does that work, Fabian?
Well, very good question. The Cell Shuttle is a fully automated platform for cell therapy manufacturing. So where today cell therapies are made by highly trained teams of scientists spending weeks in clean rooms using artisanal methods, many hand tools. And at the end, what comes out is one drug for one patient. The Cell Shuttle actually automates the entire cell therapy manufacturing process from start to finish. And it does that not just for one patient at a time, but for 16 patients at the same time. So a Cell Shuttle can produce cell therapies for up to 2,800 patients per year. That is an unprecedented amount of throughput and scalability. Across our 5 facilities in the world, we've got space for 85 Cell Shuttles. So that translates to more than 200,000 patient doses produced per year, which is a lot given that the entire industry just produced over 10,000 patients last year. Now, there's a big need for this because a single autoimmune disease indication, a single autoimmune disease can have patient demand for up to 100,000 patient doses per year per drug. So it is imperative that we're eliminating the cell therapy manufacturing bottleneck now.
Wow. Fabian Gerlinghaus, co-founder and CEO of Cellares, thank you so much for joining in. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.